Hi, welcome back to another installment of Getting Started with GDPR Compliance. I'm Thielova, DPO at OneTrust, and today we're going to talk about data protection impact assessments, also known as DPIAs. We'll explore what the GDPR says about DPIAs, how you can perform one, and what to include in it. As we all know, data protection has become an increasingly important issue in recent years, with the rise of technology and the increased collection and use of personal data by businesses. A DPIA is a tool that you can use to identify and minimize the data protection risks of a specific data processing activity. There are several steps that need to be followed for you to perform a DPIA. First, you identify the purpose and scope of the data processing activity. What data will you be collecting? How will you use it? And who will have access to it? Second, you assess the necessity and proportionality of the data that you're processing as part of the activity. Is it essential for you to carry out this activity? And is the amount of personal data that you collect for it proportional to the purpose for which it's being collected? Third, you evaluate the risks of the individual's rights and freedoms. What are the potential consequences for individuals if their personal data is misused or accessed by unauthorized parties? Fourth, consider any additional measures that can be taken to mitigate those identified risks for the individuals. Can you, for example, encrypt the data? Can you implement access controls or carry out regular data protection audits? Fifth, evaluate the effectiveness of the measures you've taken. Make sure you regularly monitor the data processing activity and assess the risks to make sure that they are being effectively managed. Sixth, document your DPIA processes and results. This will ensure that your assessments demonstrate accountability with the GDPR's transparency requirements and can be audited and provide a reference point for the future assessments. A DPIA is not a one-time activity, but rather an ongoing process that you need to repeat regularly to ensure that the risks to personal data are being effectively managed in your organization. Performing a DPIA is an essential part of organizations' data protection strategy. It can help you minimize the risks to individuals' rights and freedoms and ensure that the personal data is being collected, stored, and processed securely. Keep watching this video series to learn more about the crucial first steps that you should be taking towards the GDPR compliance.